So tonight, you have been invited by the Necker family to take part to this royal dinner, this royal experience. And this evening, I've been charged to give you this. This letter is a summary of your new ideas for the night. Of course, for one nighttime dinner, you will be dukes. And I will let you discover a new identity of Duke de Poigny, which is in this invitation. I invite you so to discover the history and your new title and remember it, as we will call you at least one for the entire experience. So you can feel free to open this letter once you sign your first table for the night.
Okay.
My lords, please.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup. S'il vous plaît.